Today we will be checking out the IFB Senator Aqua SX washing machine. IFB has introduced this machine with specialized features in wash modes, recognizing the fact that different materials are best washed using different washing methods. To begin with, what makes IFB Senator Aqua SX very easy to use is a large, user-friendly LCD display which keeps you informed about the program chosen, the current wash cycle, and the time remaining. The Cradle Wash features really cares for your delicate clothes. You can now give your silks, laces, satins, chiffons, and delicates the gentle care they deserve. And it's best suited for woolens, silk, and soft baby wear. The Silk Special program is a specialty feature keeping in mind the women of Indian subcontinent and their love for silk. You can trust this program to take immaculate care of your favorite kanjivaram. Now, if you're sometimes absent-minded like me and keep finding laundry that needs to be washed, the Laundry Act feature lets you put in missed laundry even after the wash cycle has begun. The IFB Senator SX takes into consideration the sometimes erratic power supply and hence the time delay mode. Now, this mode lets you delay the start of the wash cycle as per your convenience. The feature allows you to start the wash cycle from anywhere between 30 minutes to 24 hours. This feature is a boon for homes with interrupted water and power supply. To ensure an even wash, the auto balance system automatically detects unbalanced clothes and redistributes them to maintain a consistent and stable wash. The air bubble wash uses millions of air bubbles that go deep into the fabric to tickle and tease the stubborn dirt out. A real treat for your clothes, I must say. Moving on to the next feature, Aqua Energie is a wash mode where water is energized by a built-in device. Hard water is softened, which in turn helps the detergent to dissolve better to give the clothes a softer wash. This wash mode can be most effectively used in households where the available water is hard. Now, to meet the dual objective of achieving the best wash, but economically, the ball valve technology uses a float ball valve that drains the water out while keeping the detergent in. This technology prevents wastage and enhances the wash. And of course, the rigorous 3D wash system. This is a dynamic water system that soaks your clothes thoroughly to deliver an excellent and spotless wash. To ensure that your favorite piece of clothing is protected from accidental damage, the IFB Senator SX features an innovative crescent moon drum. The smooth crescent moon grooves on the drum surface create a gentle water cushion that prevents fabric damage. To ensure that voltage fluctuation does not damage your IFB Senator Aqua SX, it comes equipped with a high-low voltage protection system, wherein the voltage fluctuations are continuously monitored, and if the voltage goes above or below prefix safe levels, the program is paused and is resumed only when the levels stabilize. This feature protects you from inconsistent power supply. And if all of this isn't enough, the IFB Senator SX comes with a super warranty. While the machines are built to last, IFB also offers you a 4-year comprehensive warranty and spare part support for up to 10 years. So get the IFB Senator SX and be a part of the IFB experience. Are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. We offer quick doorstep delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all our products, and a short brand warranty. Have a perfect buy.